Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your source for the latest tech reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack ATX gaming PC case. This case is designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who are looking for a unique and customizable building experience. In this video, we'll dive into the features and benefits of this innovative PC case. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The QUBE 500 comes flat-packed, which is not only eco-friendly but also adds an element of fun to the building process. As soon as you open the box, you'll find step-by-step instructions that guide you through the assembly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced builders. The initial impressions are positive, with a sleek and modern design that's sure to appeal to gamers. One of the standout features of the QUBE 500 is its high level of customizability. You can fully express your creativity by customizing the case to your liking, thanks to its modular panels. Each panel is individually removable, making maintenance a breeze, and allowing you to create a unique PC build. Despite its compact 33L size, the QUBE 500 offers plenty of space to accommodate eATX motherboards, the latest GPUs, and even dual 280mm radiators. This means you can build a high-performance gaming PC without sacrificing space or performance. The QUBE 500 comes equipped with modern features like a USB-C port on the I/O panel, offering fast data speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second with USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. The case also features a thick tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your meticulously crafted build with pride. It's essential to know the limitations of a PC case when selecting components. The QUBE 500 supports CPU coolers with a maximum height of 164mm, graphics cards up to 365mm in length, and power supplies with a length of up to 332mm. Make sure your components are compatible with these measurements to ensure a seamless build. As of now, the Cooler Master QUBE 500 is available at a competitive price, making it an attractive option for those who want a unique and highly customizable PC case. It's available on Amazon, and we've included a link in the video description for your convenience. In conclusion, the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack ATX gaming PC case offers an exciting and eco-friendly building experience. Its high customizability, compact size, and modern features make it a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. If you're looking to create a one-of-a-kind gaming rig, the QUBE 500 might be the perfect case for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and updates.